The next thing to do is changing the sealant between this gas cap. As you can see, it's damaged, and also the sealant on the top of fuel cap. You can see how much it is damaged, and if you have the smell of gasoline inside your car, you should change that one. Here we have a spare, and also this one. So let's start by removing these bolts. Before we start to remove the bolts, let's remove this cap holder. And we will use Torx T25. So the middle one is, let's say, fake bolt, and here we have it's out. And let's check now how we will remove the rubber gasket. So let's unscrew the fuel cap. So what I find out, that this is complete rubber all the way down, and in order to install new part I have to cut all around. Anyhow, this was already damaged, as you can see, and now I will just push this part in place. Let's see. Okay, now it's time to put new gasket. Push the center first, then on lower part you have a hole, and that should be it. Let's check. Once we have it fully aligned, it's good to put some grease around just to make it easier to fit. It's same for the cover, and now I'm gonna position it in proper position and put the bolts on. Okay, we have all bolts in, and this is final look of this gasket. Let me show you how it looks on another Roadster, original one. Here it is. You can barely see, especially under. Now the thing that is remaining is removing this sealant and replacing with new one. So for that I will use a tool like this. As you can see, it is falling apart straight. A little bit harder to take it out. Is the old gasket, and here is the new one. this is hard rock and this is, you see, like rubber. So I will put a little bit of white grease and then I will install this one. Have to push it all the way down, and that's it. Let's try it now. Okay, now we will screw it down to check if it fits without any problem. And now I will put back this part. So this is back in place, and that's it. Great success. One more thing that I wanted to check, if this locking pin that are passing through fuel cap is working. See, it's passing through, and let's try now. I put the doors. Okay, maybe I put wrongly. Try like this. Yeah, locked. Good job. So we will use petrol injector cleaner. It's recommended every 3000 miles. Hybrid compatible. This is good to put in your car. So I will unlock. Now when we have everything new, we will add this, and we will add fuel tank of petrol. It says restore power and acceleration. I can confirm this as well. So on the top you have this foil, which can be just made like this, and you just this inside, and you dispose this at gas station. Hold the cap back, and let's go to gas station to refill it. As you know, 98 octanes as a minimum for the Roadster.